This video will demonstrate how to assemble the 3700E-18+1 model. Some of the tools you may need will be a Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters and strippers, pliers of some sort, to start, unwrap the body of the chandelier. You'll have 4 arms, 3 lights on each arm. The 2 bases of the body of the chandelier will be worked on first. You remove all the screws that will be set in there so that we can remove the base part of the frame. There's a finial on the bottom of the bowl. Unscrew that. Gently remove the washer and the crystal dish. And remove the rest of the hardware to expose the body. The top section of the fixture has the same set of screws to be removed. And the underside of it is removed as well. Starting with the top section, we attach the arms with 2 screws to the respective holes on the circular disc. And we'll do that for all 4 arms going around. There's the 2 screws, Phillips type. You could flip over the fixture and attach the base 2 screws to the bottom part of the fixture. There's an example of the one attached. We do that for the other 3. And then we'll proceed with the connecting of the like electrical wires. A view from above. The wire strippers can be used to expose the filament of the wire. And you could thread that through the adjacent hole that you'll see at the top circular disc of the fixture. Again, the L and the N labeled wires can be joined together respectively. You just twist them together, and then you can bundle together the like wires. There are plastic ties included with the packaging that you could use to secure that collection of wires. You can just pull it tight and clip the access if you want. You twist the wires around and attach the electrical cap, that's the orange small cap there, and secure it with electrical tape. Do that for both sets of wires. And then we're going to move the wires up together underneath the cap. So we're reattaching the cap and the crystal dish and the associated hardware there. And the finial closes that connection. Following that step, we can hang the chandelier at this point and do the same steps with respect to the wiring and placing underneath the decorative cap at the base of the chandelier. Put the wires at the adjacent hole next to it. Following that, join the like wires, which you can do after exposing the filament with the wire cutters or strippers. You see the main line there in the video. It's the black cable. That'll bring the power up through the chandelier to the top. That goes with the letter L wires, as you can see. Use the plastic tie to secure the collection of wiring. Put the cap on, the electrical tape. Bundle all that together and put the cap over it. Make sure you have all the nut and washers reset. And the crystal bowl, the decorative washer, and the finial at the base of the fixture. At this point, we recommend test the light bulbs or a light bulb in all the sockets to see that the wiring is connected soundly and everything is functioning properly. You can add the supports for the light sockets. It's the chrome in this video. There's also the gold version, of course. And they slip down over the sleeve. And then you can put the socket covers on the fixture. And the glass bowl meshes or dishes. Next, we're going to look at the crystal dressing of the fixture. Generally, they're lettered alphabetically from top to bottom. Letter A goes on the top tier. We'd recommend starting up there. These crystal pieces that go on the bowl meshes. Look at the frame closely when attaching the crystal, referencing the crystal dressing diagram to see that you're putting the parts in their correct places. There's plastic rosettes that face downward and to the side of each other. And they all have spools where you can connect the crystal to. You could put all the hanging crystal first, as we do in this video, and then put the crystal strands that'll go horizontal across the body. There's a close-up of the attachment to the rosette adjacent to each other that have loops where you can put the connecting clips through. And all those strands will go parallel to each other across the body of the fixture and around it. Finials also have holes in them where you can add the decorative crystal touches. The central axis has a crystal sphere with some crystal strands above it. Here's an overview of a section of the chandelier with the crystal dressing on it. You repeat that pattern across the whole fixture, and you'll have the finished product as you see in the photograph here. Please contact us if you have any other questions or concerns. Thank you.